Hello everyone, here I have a piece of JavaScript code which I want to beautify and format before they run it. So what I need to do here is copy this piece of code, and here you have a website which will allow you to beautify and format any piece of JavaScript code. And here you have the settings here, like whatever settings that you want. There are different settings, what kind of indentation, whether you need to break lines, whether you need braces with the control statement, you need to wrap lines, and whatever settings that you want, you can set it over here. And yeah, basically it's highly configurable. So I'm just going to use the default settings here, and I'm going to paste the code here, and I'm going to press beautify code. And as you can see, with very less effort, I have formatted my code with just a click of a button. So it's as easy as that.